Hey everyone, today we're excited to present an unboxing of the modern house from Playmobil's Micro World. Let's do this! Hello everyone and welcome back to another Playmobil toy review. Today we're reviewing set number 4335, the Micro World Modern House. Released in 2008, the Micro World playset comes as a handy pocket box. All miniature figures are magnetic. The Modern House Micro World comes with two magnetic standard child figures, or klickies. Playmobil take-along sets appeal to kids on the go or traveling on vacations. My personal take on that, at this point in the game where these sets weren't available for very long, I'd consider the Micro World sets more of a collector's item for adults rather than kids. The resale value, as of the making of this video, ranges between $30 to $150 USD on eBay for complete sets, which, luckily for the magnetic feature, may be easy to maintain, but considering the size of the miniatures, the set could still lose a piece or two from everyday handling. Looking at the sheathing, we have our playbox opened and revealing exactly how the set looks when opened. It includes a boy and girl clicky, a couple of toys, and an array of miniature structures and people to complete this modern day setting. The bottom of the box has the choking hazard warnings in various languages. The top concludes those warnings and shows us the barcode and country of manufacture, which in this instance is China? Didn't expect that one. Finally, on the back we have all of our contents photographed individually, including our miniature figures, all of whom are posed for more outdoor activity than indoor settings. In fact, a picnic umbrella is added for shade for our couple at the table, enjoying each other's company. We also have the modern house, which is 2 floors, a couple of trees up on a hilly landscape, and finally a hedge wall that fits behind the pool, or anywhere else you might want to put it. Here's another look at our boy clicky, who comes with a ball and cap. Then we have the girl clicky dressed in matching attire, who comes with a yellow hobby horse to play on. Finally, the box folds out into our playset, encapsulating our child characters in an immersive world built by their own imagination. But enough of the box details. Let's look at the box itself. Take the cover off and we have an all yellow box with the Playmobil name logo embossed on it. Then flip it to the bottom and find another image of the clickies playing together. No other images on the other sides, but we did have an arrow indicating where to flip open the box to reveal what's inside. And here it is. Now this is a pre-owned toy, so the pieces are all stored in an airtight Ziploc snack bag. But as you can see, it looks like everything is here and accounted for. This also came with the instructions. I don't think the Pirate Micro World did, so that's a nice addition, even if I have no use for it. Then it has the micro catalog where it crams everything onto the small pages. Also a nice thing to include, making this set complete. And here's our backdrop for the set. I like how consistent it keeps the playset as a whole, and tying in with the overall theme of being in a modern neighborhood. The replay value on the set is questionable. Unlike the Pirate Micro World set, most of the miniature people are posed in a lying or seated position. The only standing miniature figure is pushing a lawnmower. Alright, so checking out the miniatures, beginning with the modern home. Here it is, the main floor. It has lots of windows and a nice entry. As we look at it from the top, there is plenty of room, no pun intended, for our mini clickies to conduct their everyday activities, which in this case is sitting, lying, or mowing. The lawn chair figures can work on their tan in the sunroom or greenhouse. Too bad there wasn't another piece for flowers to place in there, but that's okay. It's all about imagination anyway. The best thing about the Micro World sets is their magnetic feature. to help prevent loss of the small pieces, especially if kids have these in a moving car during long trips, or short ones at that. The house itself is not magnetic, so any pieces in the house are subject to loss. And here's the upper floor. A pretty cool balcony, still probably big enough for the seated figures, but not the table. And here's the inside. It would have been nice if the mold had some furniture in there, just to add to the playability factor. Anyway, let's assemble the house. These holes on the bottom are what the tabs on the main floor fit into to keep the house together. Alright, next up we have our trees. They sort of resemble brains. They fit nicely into the holes of the included hill. Voila! Okay, so next up we have another piece of greenery, and that is our hedge. Very plain. I would have given this the same texture as the trees, honestly. There are plenty of places to put it, but actually it does go behind the pool. Now we have our boy Clicky. Very nice looking figure. I do like the colors they chose for this set. Now, unlike the Pirate Micro World set, these Clickies are magnetized as well. Here under his feet there is a small magnet. 2 of them actually, for safekeeping. We're going to put him right here and then just go over the accessories, starting with his yellow hat. Fits nicely on his head, as it should. Then here is his basketball. Nothing really special about it, but it fits in his hand just fine once you can get it on there. There you go. And here's our girl Clicky. She's dressed in more or less of the same color scheme as the boy, which reflects the colors presented in this playset, which is a really nice touch. She overall has the same body and hair shape as most of the other female child Clickies we are accustomed to getting from Playmobil. You can tell this was a used toy because her hands are positioned to hold onto the handlebars of her hobby horse. It is the only added accessory included for her, and here it is. I do think the handlebars are about 1 millimeter short on each side. It looks like the Clicky's hands fasten to them right on the ends, making it quite simple for them to slide off. Okay, as for our miniature figures, we start with the patio umbrella. The box has it shown on the driveway, keeping our couple at the table shaded from the elements. The couple are attached to the table and appear to be talking over a cup of coffee. Moving to the foreground, we have our green lawn that is perfect for our only standing miniature figure, whose job it is to cut the grass all day, every day. Next up are our water babies resting on floats in the pool. They can also be used as beds inside the house. And finally, moving just a little bit upward from the pool, we have another lawn area where we can fit our sunbathers who are resting on reclining chairs, lawn chairs. And of course that can be used as well inside of the house in the living areas or even in the sunroom or greenhouse. Well, final thoughts. It's a nice set, but better as a display piece than anything with a high replay value, and that's mainly due to the design of the miniature people. It's the Modern House playset, but the minifigures are made to do more outside, which is unfortunate. The child Clickies, however, can be, of course, used with other playsets and accessories. And that concludes our unboxing and review of the Modern House playset from the Playmobil Micro World line. I hope you enjoyed it. What Micro World sets do you own? Leave a comment below. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us on Instagram. You can find us at PlaymoAF. We'll see you again soon, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.